Hey there, TapTech family. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I promise you're going to stick around because what we're about to dive into could very well change how you shoot your next big adventure. Imagine a drone so compact, so smart, so effortless that you can pull it out and be filming cinematic footage in seconds. That's exactly what DJI is going after with their latest reveal, the DJI Neo 2. Whether you're in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, any of the premium markets, you'll want to stay to the end because we're uncovering every feature, every potential snag, and why this might be the smartest drone purchase you make this year. Let's get into it. From what we've gathered, the Neo 2 is not just an incremental update. It's a serious leap in compact drone performance. Right off the bat, it stays under that all-important registration threshold in many countries. Yes, under 250 Gr, making it ultra-portable and beginner-friendly. Now, flight time. The original Neo had respectable numbers, but Neo 2 ups the game. FCC filings show a battery capacity bump to around 1,606 mAh, which suggests an improved flight duration over the original's 118 minutes. What that means? More time in the air to capture those epic moments, with less worry about rushing to land. Another big upgrade: obstacle avoidance and safety. Neo 2 adds what looks like LiDAR sensors and infrared downward sensors. In plain language, it's smarter about its surroundings. Indoor, urban, tricky spaces. It's built to handle them more confidently. That matters when you're shooting fast, moving between scenes or focusing on the creative, not just the pilot duties. When it comes to the camera system, rumors report a 1.3-inch sensor, or near that size, capable of 4K video at 60 FPS or more, improved stabilization, and wider field of view. For creators in premium markets who demand high image quality, this is a serious value add. Let's break down why each of these features matters, and why you'll want to stay tuned for the full breakdown. Portability meets power. A drone that weighs under 250 Gr means fewer regulatory headaches in many regions. A real plus for creators in premium markets who travel. Combine that with impressive imaging, and you're getting what used to be a pro-level kit in a carry-anywhere size. Longer flight time, less panic. More shots. When you've got a few extra minutes in the air, you can plan more dynamic moves, try new angles, reposition without rushing, all of which elevates your content. Smarter obstacle avoidance. If you've ever lost a shot because the drone drifted or misjudged something, the Neo 2's new safety features take away a lot of that stress. That means you can focus on the framing, the action, the story, not just keeping it in the air. High-quality imaging for US and premium market creators, 4K at 60 FPS, bigger sensor, better field of view. Those all translate to more flexibility in editing, more cinematic output, better results on your socials, YouTube, client work. But of course, nothing's perfect. We have to look at the caveats. One key thing: launch availability and region support. While the teaser confirms China launch in late 2025, there's still uncertainty about US release and full availability in some premium markets. The US market in particular might face delays or import complexities. So if you're in the US, it's wise to monitor official channels and check local support, warranty implications, and import logistics. Also, while the flight time is improved, we're still looking at 20 minutes, maybe a bit more in ideal conditions. Not ultra-long like some high-end prosumer drones, but given the size and portability, it's a very fair trade-off. Storage, accessories, bundles, details are still emerging, so pricing in premium markets might be higher, or bundles may be necessary to unlock full potential. Now, let's imagine how this plays out for you, the TapTech viewer in the US or other premium country. You're either a creator who travels, vlogs, documents lifestyle, adventure. Portability is huge for you. An advanced hobbyist wanting quality without lugging large equipment. A professional looking for a throw-in-my-bag drone that punches above its weight. If that's you, Neo 2 ticks boxes. Small size, high image quality, safety, portability. It means less gear, more flexibility, more time capturing, less time fiddling. For US premium markets in particular, you'll want to ensure things like regulatory registration, Remote ID compliance, local warranty support are in place. Because owning an amazing drone is one thing, being able to rely on it when you're abroad or servicing it when needed is another. Let's go into what we expect to see once it hits the market, based on leaks and rumors. A sub-250G weight drone with strong build and high portability, camera capable of 4K 60, or maybe higher, with wide field of view and stabilized gimbal, battery upgrade 2. Give us 20 to 25 minutes flight time under ideal conditions and more reliable flight performance. Omnidirectional or near 360-degree obstacle sensing, smarter tracking, gesture controls, more autonomous modes. Competitive pricing for the category. Reports suggest around $211 in China for base version. Bundles and accessories will push up cost, likely. Fly more style kits with extra batteries, prop guards, storage, maybe goggles or motion controller. In short, if you've been waiting for the perfect carry everywhere, deploy anytime drone with premium quality, this could be it. Here's how I'd recommend you think about using the Neo 2 once it's available. Carry-on friendly, perfect for travel when you don't want a full-size drone case. Second camera rig. Use it alongside your main gear for quick shots, behind-the-scenes aerials, or spontaneous moments. Social creator tool. It's ideal for vlogs, short-form content, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, especially when mobility and speed matter. Learning platform. If you're a student or professional just entering aerial content, the Neo 2 gives you high quality without breaking the bank. Final verdict? If you're in the market for a drone today and you need portability, quality, and smart features, the Neo 2 is absolutely worth waiting for. And if you already have an older model, this upgrade makes sense. Just keep an eye on the US launch details, warranty support for your region, and the bundles to get best value. If you're watching this right now and thinking, is this right for me? My advice, yes, if your priority is mobility and high image quality. If you need ultra-long flight time or heavier-duty professional sensors, you might still hold out for the bigger prosumer class. But for most creators in premium markets, Neo 2 is the sweet spot. Thanks so much for sticking with me through this deep dive. Your time matters, and I really appreciate you being here. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Tap Tech deep dives, and drop me a comment. What's the one feature you're excited about on the Neo 2? Or is there something you wish DJI would add? Until next time, keep creating, keep flying, and keep pushing what's possible. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay ready, and fly safe.